In HP's line of papers that are available for latex, this is the value paper, the economic proposition. It is the HP Premium Poster Paper. This is designed specifically for Generation 3 latex printers. In some respects, this replaces the HP photorealistic poster paper, which I do not recommend for Gen 3 latex. This is the answer for that paper for Gen 3 latex. So if you're looking for an economical, but still prints very well, poster paper for HP Gen 3 latex, 500 series, 300 series, this is your choice. I've used this extensively across all the latex platform. It runs great, no objections. Simple, easy, high quality poster paper. This is not like the HP photo paper, which has a different coating. It's going to sit at a slightly different price point. This is much more focused to be a little more economical, a little more affordable, and it still looks great. HP Premium Poster Paper, the downloads are available right into from the media locator. In most cases, this will come right when you turn on your printer. It will be preloaded onto the latex printers. I use it all the time. Highly recommended.